Hi there, it's Jason here from Flamingo Accounting, and today we're going to be talking about making tax digital, or MTD for short. In a nutshell, what is it and what do you need to do? So what is MTD? What is making tax digital? It's a government initiative to simplify the UK tax system and make the recording and reporting of taxes easier for businesses. So it's going to require all businesses who meet the criteria to move towards maintaining their taxes and records in a digital format. So what's the point of it? Well, HMRC estimates that the tax gap, which is the difference between what they expect to receive and what they actually get, is around £9 billion a year. So making tax digital aims to reduce, if not eliminate, that gap. So under the new system, tax recording should be more accurate, with fewer opportunities for error or fraud to occur, either deliberately or not. The process is designed to be faster and more automated for businesses, saving them time and effort in getting their tax obligations correct, and hence the time HMRC has to spend on investigations. So who's affected? So a really important point, for now it is only those VAT registered businesses with annual turnover above £85,000 that need to take action. From the 1st of April 2019 they will have to report VAT under the MTD system. So that's the kind of critical point of this presentation really. So making tax digital for corporation tax and income tax has been delayed until at least 2020, so there's no need to take action on those areas for now. Obviously, it's still something to think about. It's something that's going to happen in the future. But the key point of this presentation is all about VAT. VAT registered businesses with annual turnover above £85,000 will need to take action. From the 1st of April 2019, you will have to report VAT under the MTD system. So what do we have to do? So for any VAT periods starting on or after 1st of April 2019, you will have to use Making Tax Digital compatible software to file your VAT returns, and you will need to maintain your records digitally. So spreadsheets and filing cabinets of invoices will no longer meet your responsibilities. So if you're not already using MTD compatible software, then you will need to make a change to how you do things. So at the time of recording this, there's now less than 6 months until you have to be ready for Making Tax Digital. It may sound like a long time, but in reality it's only 2 VAT quarters. Plus you'll need to allow time for the changeover, perhaps consulting your accountant and bookkeeper and getting used to the new way of doing things. So what happens if we ignore it? Well, like any other obligation to HMRC, if you ignore it, they'll come after you and they will impose penalties. Exactly what those will be are currently under review, but HMRC has said that it will be using a points-based penalty system, whereby accumulating a certain amount of points for failures will equate to a certain penalty, be it interest or a fixed charge. So it's still very much up in the air, but our advice is not to wait to find out. We need to make the necessary steps to get Making Tax Digital ready now. So the systems to use. So there's a list of Making Tax Digital compatible software for you on the HMRC website to see if you're already using an approved system. Now we've got 2 preferred choices for being Making Tax Digital ready. There's massive advantages to using these 2 pieces of software, but Xero and ReceiptBank are 2 really useful pieces of software for getting Making Tax Digital ready. So ReceiptBank extracts the necessary data from your purchase invoices and receipts, and it stores a digital copy so you can access it from anywhere, and then it will send it across to Xero, which will calculate your VAT obligations. There's so many advantages to using these 2 pieces of software. They're absolutely superb, and here at Flamingo we really recommend using these 2 pieces of software. They're basically the only 2 pieces of software we will recommend and we will use in the business. Xero and ReceiptBank working together are really powerful, and if you've got these 2 systems up and running in your business, then you're almost there, ready for Making Tax Digital. So if you'd like to talk to us further about getting your business ready for MTD and moving across to Xero and ReceiptBank, please get in touch with us. Our contact details are on the screen. Making Tax Digital is coming, and it's coming very soon. The 1st of April 19, there's going to be some significant changes to the way you run your bookkeeping system. So if you need to talk, contact us now. Details on the screen. We look forward to hearing from you.